There's a myth about Melly and Truth. Because the street myth and story is like you ask around, say, you a lot of cousins, you had a lot of cousins, you had a lot of females.
Yeah.
All you had to really do was call around, find out who you is, what you like to do, where you like to eat, where you like to go. I could just meet up with you, get up with you. Is that true?
Like the hoes?
No, like
so
how
now
you
I don't
move.
run the city no more. You just saying I'm the youngest in charge.
All you gotta do is call around and you can just get around.
Yeah. He get around. He get around you for sure.
Like how long it take him to figure it out?
Not long. I ain't gonna lie. He one of them.
You finna leave, my boy?
Yeah, no, I'll come right back, man. I gotta go. Slap!
I ain't like that. Yeah.
You're not even like that shorty when 051 Driller, what's the word?